Okay, so one thing I just thought about, and our page 81A, our original drawing we did not save that to a separate folder. I want this to be saved to a separate folder. So the first thing we're going to have to do, if you have page 81A open, you're going to have to close it because we can't move it while we have it open. So let's go ahead and close this, and we'll close out of page 81A. You can leave Inventor open, but close out page 81A. Then let's go to our folder down here at the bottom. So go to that. From your folder, go to where you have page 81A saved. I have my folder here created for page 81A, and let's go ahead and have you create that folder now if you don't already have it created. So where that folder is located it's inside of your CAD 1 and 2 folder, inside of your Inventor folder, inside your Activity folder, and then name it page 81A, a new folder called page 81A. Okay? So create that new folder, page 81A. Then from there, we've got to go back to where we saved this before. I kind of messed you up on this before. Let's go back to where we had that one saved. So we have that saved into the Inventor folder, and it was inside of the Practice folder. All right, so page 81A, I want to copy that. So I'm going to right-click on it and go Copy. And I want to copy that to the folder I just created. And again, that was inside of Inventor, inside of Activity, and page 81A. And we're going to paste that into there. Now, so we don't mess up or get anything else done that we don't want, we want to go back there. We want to make sure and get rid of this in the other position, because if you have it saved in two places, that's where you're going to get confused. So let's go back now to the Inventor folder, back to the Practice folder, and get rid of that there. So the page 81A, I'm going to go to my base one. Where is that again? Page 81 top A, right there. And delete that one out of there. Delete it out so you don't any longer have that one there. So now, moving forward, when you're doing your next parts on page 81, in Inventor, when you're doing your next parts there, make sure and save those to that folder where you just had those at. I don't say that in the video because I didn't have that page 81A folder created. So in the video, you're going to have to just, where I tell you to save it, go ahead and save it in the page 81A folder. So good luck. You should be able to have that, no problem.